Is your player character on their redemption arc? Or maybe their revenge arc? Maybe they are in their hedonistic arc of spending all that hard-earned loot and just exploring the world and maybe letting themselves go a little bit. Some game systems quantify this. It makes you write down goals for your character, arcs. But again, I think this can be used in any TTRPG system. And even if it's just a vague idea of where that character's headed. Too many players play a character of a certain personality that has certain wants, and they want to play that consistent character every session of the whole campaign for years and years. And if that brings you comfort, fair enough. But if you want a more three-dimensional player and character in that living, breathing world, why not see them like ourselves in the real world as people who go through seasons? And that's all that arc is. Maybe ask your player in your game, would you say this character is on their revenge arc now? Yes. Then you can prep for that. It seemed like there was a bit of revenge and need for justice festering there in their character's psyche. Build it into the story. And ask them to write down arc on the character sheet, arc, revenge. When that revenge is achieved, maybe ask the player, do they feel satisfied? Are there more people to go after? No. Do they feel empty now? Do they feel accomplished? Do they feel like they need solitude now? Now maybe it's the introspective arc. I really encourage players to do this. And it makes their characters go through these little mini journeys within the journeys that I give them. And it's so easy to quantify. It just needs a moment to go, you know what, let's write down. I'm not quite sure how he's going to do the redemption arc yet, but I want him to go down there. And there was this glimmer of hope that he might head in that direction. So I'll note down redemption. Just because it's showing where I want to go. I as GM, sorry, Mike's jumping around. I as GM can then go, I see where they want to go. I can prep for that. It makes my life easier to prep, and their goal for their character, their vision for their character can also come to fruition. Arcs, like it works in film and anime and everything else, use it in TTRPGs. It's going to add a lot of richness to your characters.